How to add a view shop button on Instagram. Let's get started. Make sure you are using the latest version of Instagram app. To check that, you can launch your App Store or Play Store. Now search for the app Instagram. After app appears, at the right corner of it, you will find the option of Open or Update. If you find the option of Update, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. Once completion of update process, launch it. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now head towards the profile page. Click on this profile icon given at the bottom right corner. Once you land to your profile page, now click on this option of Professional Dashboard. In order to be able to add a shop button on your Instagram account, you will need to be an established business account. In the case Instagram thinks that you are not established and a well-promoted business, you won't be able to add the View Shop button as a result. But if you are a well-promoted business, under your tools section, you will find the option of shops. Click on that option. Then go ahead and complete all the process to add shop button on your Instagram. In the case Instagram does not recognize that you are a well-promoted business, you won't get that option. As you can see that I'm also not getting that option. But if you do get that option, just click on it and go through the process. With that, your shop button on Instagram will be updated. Well, that's a wrap for this video. I hope you guys are clear about how to add shop button on Instagram. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.